Hello everyone. So let's start with our chapter 3, that is business environment. Actually students, business environment, number of times we are using this word business environment from the very beginning. In 11th standard also business environment we use number of times. So what is business environment actually? Business environment means an environment in which business exists, right? Or we can say that whatever the forces, factors or any institution which affect our business directly or indirectly, and on those components we don't have our control. These components are beyond our control, beyond our limits. This is known as business environment. For example, customers are also one of the component of a business environment. I can say the investors, the suppliers, the competitors, economic environment, legal environment, social environment, political environment, all these environment comprises the component of business environment. Clear? So these components affect our business, influence the business directly or indirectly. For example, if the customer change their demand and preferences, then definitely it will affect our business. Secondly, if the government increase the tax, then definitely the cost of production will increase and the product will the price of the product will rise, and consequently the customer are not ready to purchase the goods and services at higher prices. So we can say that number of things are there, number of factors are there which affect our business directly or indirectly. This is known as business environment. So to understand the business environment, first of all we have to understand certain dimensions of business environment or the components of business environment, which is very important to understand for your board examination also. So this is our dimensions of business environment or components of business environment. Clear? There are 5 dimensions of business environment, that is economic environment, social environment, political environment, technological environment and legal environment. So what is economic environment? Economic environment generally consists if there is any rise in income, if there is any decline in income, or if there is rise or decrease in GDP, national income, disposable income, we can say that tax rates, interest rate, number of things are there which is related to economy. Clear? So those things or those components which comprises this are known as economic environment. Second one is social environment. Social environment means, social means the society, right? So the characteristic of our society, that is our society believes on different rituals, they have different lifestyles and all, and their lifestyles, their rituals, their festivals definitely affect our business, isn't it? For example, number of festivals we are celebrating like Eid, Diwali, Holi, and when these festivals are about to come, then we observe that the production of different products are increased. Why? Because on these occasions the customers are rushed towards the market. They want to purchase number of items like new dresses, sweets, right, decorative items and all. So we can say that all these things which affect our society or the lifestyle of our society is known as the economic environment, which affect our business, right? For example, there is nowadays the girls education is very important, means to give the education to the girls are very popular nowadays, and how this movement is very helpful to increase the production, because if the girls will go to the schools, then definitely they need uniform, dresses, stationery. So we can say that indirectly they affect our business, not directly but indirectly. The social environment or all these environment affect our business indirectly. Clear? Next one is political environment. Political environment is related to the political parties or political issues which are prevailing. Clear? Whatever the political party is there nowadays, or whenever there will be the political party, in future, definitely it will affect our business. Number of movements can be started by these political parties, number of things can be done by these political parties. Some political party increase the tax rates and all, so due to which the investor always hesitate to invest in different type of investment policies, right? So political environment also affect our business indirectly. Next is technological environment. Technological environment means new scientific innovations or discoveries which affect our business directly or indirectly. For example, I can take the example of the reservation. If you want to take reservation in ships or in trains or in airplanes, then previously we have to stand in a rows or in a very long line for a number of hours. But when the online system was invented, then from that day we are not supposed to stand for a long. We can sit at our home and get the reservation at our place only. So why is it possible? It is possible just because of the technological environment. The technology is developed nowadays. Next one is legal environment. Legal means the law and order of your country. So whatever the law and order passed by the constitution, passed by your government, passed by your court, these all comprises in legal environment. For example, no smoking in public places. If this order will be passed by the court, then it comes under legal environment. Use of plastic bags are prohibited nowadays. Clear? So what is this? This comes under legal environment. So I can give you some example related to this. Economic environment. If in your question it is given that the income of the people are rising, or Rohan is working in a private sector company and he is promoted now and the income of the Rohan is rising. So what is this? This indicate economic environment. Clear? And social environment, the reservation of women's are there in that particular field or in that particular organization, then it state that this is called social environment. Clear? If I say if interest rate is reduced by the government, then we can say that it is a political environment. In technological environment, if I say that nowadays the LCDs are become obsolete when the LED comes in the market, so this is called technological environment. Clear? Legal environment, I told you already, use of plastic bags and all these things are banned in public places. So what is this? This is called law and order and it comprises legal environment. So I think you have understood this dimensions of business environment, and just keep one thing in your mind: all these factors, all these 5 factors affect your business indirectly, not directly. Clear? There are other factors also, like I will tell you in the features. So let's discuss the characteristic of business environment. First one is totality of external forces. Totality of external forces, I told you that the business environment, in business environment, all the external forces are there which affect our business directly or indirectly. This is known as totality of external forces. Second one is specific and general forces. So specific forces are those forces which affect our business directly, and general forces are those forces which affect our business indirectly. So specific forces, in specific forces there are customers, investors, competitors, and in general forces there are economic environment, social environment, legal environment, political environment, and technological environment. So let's understand how these things affect business directly and indirectly. So first of all, specific environment. In a specific environment, if customers change their taste, demand, and preferences, then whatever the stock we have maintained, then it become obsolete for us. So in this way, our business can be directly affected. Investors. If the investor don't want to invest in our organization, then we cannot force the investors, right? So whatever the funds the organization is needed, we cannot get that funds. So we can say that these specific forces affect our business directly. But in case of journal forces, if we are talking about economic, social, legal, political, these affect our business indirectly. For example, if we take the example of economic environment, then we can say that, or if we take the, for example, if the interest rate will increase, if the tax rate will increase, then the cost of production will increase. If the cost of production will increase, then what will happen? The price of the product will increase, and consequently the customer don't want to purchase the goods and services in high prices. No, means every customer don't want to purchase the goods and services in higher prices. So we can say that these factors, whatever the factors are there, journal forces, these factors, these forces affect our business indirectly, not directly. Next one is interrelatedness. Means all the factors, all the forces are related to each other. For example, if we are talking about economic factor means if the income of the people are rising, then definitely they will start purchasing the quality product, and when the quality product they are purchasing, it means it affects the social environment, right? So we can say that most of the business environment dimensions are interrelated to each other. Next one is dynamic in nature. I told you, and you people are very well aware about that business environment is all dynamic. It keeps on changing day by day. It doesn't seem like to be same or to be in uniform manner in all the time. Business environment is all dynamic. It keeps on changing. Customer can change their demand. Competitors can increase or decrease their prices by seeing our policies and all. So we can say that business environment is all dynamic. Next is uncertain. Business environment is uncertain as we cannot predict the business environment, what our customer wants, what is going on in the investor's mind, what is going on in the competitor's mind, which political party will come in existence. So number of things are there which is beyond our limits, beyond our control. So we can say that business environment is uncertain. Next is business environment is complex in nature. To understand the business environment individually, means if you want to understand economic environment only, then it's very difficult. But if we want to understand, if we want to make it clear everything, we have to understand each and every environment in total, because I told you that all the environment are interrelated and interconnected to each other. Clear? So we can say that it is very complex in nature, because if one environment will change, that definitely it will affect the next environment, right? If one environment will change, one issue will be there, then it will affect one or two environment definitely. So we can say that to understand the business environment is very complex. And the last one is relativity. Relativity here means different or very. For example, business environment is different from region to region, state to state, and city to city. I must give an example. For example, in India, the production of western dresses or the demand of western dresses is not as much as the demand of western dresses are there in western countries or in America or in Japan. Here in India, the demand of sarees, suits and all are more in comparison to the western countries. So we can say that the business environment is different from region to region, from country to country. Means from North India, the culture, the belief, the idea, the food style, the lifestyle, all are different from the people who are living from the East India, right? So we can say that whatever the lifestyle is there, the business environment is different from that side in comparison to the other side. So we can say that business environment is relative in nature, means different in nature. They are different from region to region, country to country, right? So this is our topic, business environment, an environment in which business exists, or whatever the forces, factors which affect our business, which influence our business directly or indirectly, are known as business environment. I told you number of business environment components like economic environment, social environment, political environment, technological environment, legal environment. All these environment affect your business indirectly, okay? And there are certain characteristics also, that is totality of external forces, means external forces are there, customers, investors, social environment, legal environment, they all are external forces and they all affect our business. Specific and general forces, I told you that they affect our business directly and indirectly. Interrelatedness, all the factors are related to each other. Dynamic in nature, business environment is dynamic in nature, it keeps on changing. Uncertainty, it is very difficult to predict our future. Definitely same case is with customers, investor, competitors and other environment also. It is very difficult to predict. Complexity, it is very difficult to understand single environment, but we can understand in total. Relativity, the business environment is relative in nature, means different from region to region, from country to country, from state to state. Thank you.